Hello. What'd you find?
Yeah, hopefully it blew. I think it blew a lot of it up.
Hey.
Nice shoes, baby. Those are big.
We're watching the Laker game on
Big and
what is
sweaty.
that? League Pass.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
that was great, Evan. Ugh. Oh, dance to the music. Oh, Daddy turned it off.
Do you have your hands in your pocket? Are you Mr. Cool? Huh? Mr. Cool guy?
Hi, Suki.
You got some nice shoes on there? Hmm?
Come on, show us how you dance.
Hey, can you say, Evan, can you say, cheese? What do you got in your pocket? Penny in my pocket.
Great! $1 in my shoe. When I give them up to Jesus, there's nothing he can't do to feed a hungry neighbor,
Can you get out? Speak
give
out.
shelter from the storm.
Oh, done?
Put it back. Okay, all done.
I'll get it